Judge number 4.
Magandang gabi.
Evening din po.
Contestant number 4. Bilang isa sa mga contestant ngayong gabi, sapat na ba ang pinakita mo para ikaw ang pipiliing winner?
Well, thank you for the very nice and wonderful question, sir. Well, that would be unfair if I were going to say that I'm the most beautiful, talented, and intelligent among all the candidates here. But what is my edge, or what does I have with other candidates here? Ladies and gentlemen, since I make it to the finals, I would not say that they don't deserve to be in this pageant because we are all gay. That despite our imperfection, we show our ability that we could be a part of this world as this because imperfection doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter whether you are a gay or a homosexual. Since you are existing creation of God, you have the right to show what you have in this world. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, candidate number